All right, so we saved the best for last here. So now we have a trapezoidal prism, which I know has been the nemesis of so many of you this year with these trapezoids. Okay, so again, because it's a trapezoidal prism, the trapezoid itself is going to be the base shape. Okay, and this shape should look familiar because this is the one that was on, and there goes my highlighting again. This is the one that was on your quiz last week. Okay, so again, I'm just having trouble with my highlighter and highlighting that trapezoid so we can focus in on that to find the area of the base shape. Okay, so if you remember, for the trapezoid, the area is the sum of the two bases, right? So it's the base plus base, divide that by 2, and then multiply that by the height of the trapezoid. Okay, so that means that I have to add up my 10 for my bottom base. 2 is the height, so I have to look all the way down here for 4 for the other base. I'll divide that by 2, and then I'll multiply that by the 2 for the height of the trapezoid. Okay, so let's think about this. 10 plus 4 is 14. And then when I divide by 2 and multiply by 2, those cancel out, right? Because 14 divided by 2 is 7. Multiply that by 2 again, and I'm right back at 14. So for the area of my trapezoid, I have 14 square centimeters. Now last week with surface area, we needed to consider the fact that there's 2 of them. This week, I know there's 2 of them, and that's not what I want to focus in on for the most part. Okay, right now, I just need to now focus in on the space between them. Okay, so there's the other trapezoid right there, and then for the height of the prism, I need to focus in on this length right here, that's 7 centimeters. Okay, so again, when I talk about the volume, it's the base face area times the height. Okay, so I have the 14. I'm going to multiply that by 7 because that's the height of my prism. Okay, and then when I do that in my calculator, I get 98. Okay, so please don't try and do all of this stuff in your head. I'm using a calculator, you just can't see it because it's off screen. Okay, so then that would be cubic centimeters because it's volume. All right, so there's one more question on the Google form here. It is a trapezoidal prism. Do your best. Just remember that you have to look at both your bases, average those together, then multiply by the distance between the two bases of your trapezoid, and then multiply that by the distance between the two bases in your actual prism. Right. If you've got questions, make sure that you shout out to either Miss K or myself. And tomorrow we're going to talk about pyramids. Okay. Hope you enjoy the rest of your Monday. Have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.